Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have Arsenic hexafluoride, which is anion. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So osmium valence is 5, fluorine atoms are 6. So if you substitute in the formula with anion, which gives 12 by 2 equals 6, lone pair will be H minus B, which is 6 minus 6 equals 0. H6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which gives geometry of octahedral. You have osmium at center and you have 6 fluorine atom in the axial position. You can understand better by the animation. So geometry of osmium hexafluoride anion is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.